people. So this is my ninth video of the day, and see, but it's going to be close to 9 at night, so that explains why I'm feeling so tired. But people, keeping in mind the tradition of these 1 minute book reviews, Reaching to Heaven, by James Van Prague, is a book that anyone who's ever lost a loved one should read. People, it's so strange that only after you lose someone who's only after death knocks on your door, you get serious about life. So that's when an author like James Van Prague is like heaven sent, yeah, because that's what most of his books deal with. Reaching to This book is called Reaching to Heaven. Just read it, people. It'll change your entire perception about life after death. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.